Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies like Crumbl, guiding you through each essential step to recreate their famous treats right in your own kitchen. We will uncover the secrets to achieving their unique, large size and that irresistible soft, chewy texture. Get ready to master the art of baking these gourmet cookies, ensuring your homemade versions are just as impressive and delicious as the originals. The foundation of a great Crumbl-style cookie starts with specific ingredients. A mix of brown and white sugar is crucial for moisture and chewiness. Adding a touch of cornstarch helps achieve that signature soft texture. Remember to cream your butter and sugars for a full 4 to 5 minutes until light and fluffy. Then chill your dough for at least 30 minutes before baking to ensure thick, perfect cookies. Baking these large cookies requires precise technique. Scoop generous 1/2 cup portions of dough, about 5 ounces each, for that iconic size. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes, looking for set edges and slightly underdone centers. Crucially, let them cool on the baking sheet for 15 minutes to continue setting and achieve that perfect gooey middle. The final touch for many Crumbl-style cookies is a decadent frosting. Always ensure your cookies are completely cool before frosting to prevent melting. Prepare a thick, creamy buttercream, often enhanced with a hint of almond extract for that signature sugar cookie taste. Spread generously for a beautiful, bakery-worthy presentation that will impress everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.